We're here at the 2017 PRI show in the Precision Turbo and Engine booth, and I want to say thank you to Steve Licht for coming by from Full Throttle Speed. Been a long-time customer, actually one of the oldest, no, not one of, actually the oldest customer in the Precision Turbo distribution network. And I just want to say thank you for all your years of support and helping us through the first 30 years.
Absolutely. I couldn't be more honored to be supporting Precision Turbo. I grew up around the brand, so for me it kind of hit home, and I look forward to the future of growing our fan base and our customer base, and we really value our partnership with Precision Turbo to get the right product in the right hands for the customer.
So where do you see the next 30 years going with the partnership between Full Throttle Speed and Precision Turbo and Engine?
Only growing. We already have a great base laid down, and as a young person in this community and in this enthusiast network, I see not only roots laid by my father and by people like you, but people like me that are just going to grow this industry, and it's really going to bloom moving forward. As we've seen from the enthusiast groups like Facebook and Instagram, you can really see how much the industry is just growing nonstop.
Yeah, and that's fantastic, and that aligns you perfectly with where Precision Turbo is headed, so it's great news. So above and beyond the Precision Turbo product line, what else does Full Throttle Speed offer to the customers out there?
We specialize in aftermarket fuel injection systems, engine parts, and we also have an in-house chassis dyno where we do tuning and support. You can also find us out at our local dragways and drag strips around Michigan, Ohio, Indiana.
Okay.
We support a local drag strip, Milan Dragway. We hold a few races at that location throughout the summer months, and we support those races. One is called Motor City Mayhem. That was a big event for us, kind of focusing on the no prep and the grudge racing, and we find that is a huge group moving forward. That's kind of getting away from pro mod, pro stock. If we can only get the industry to kind of focus more on that, I think that it could even grow even bigger.
I agree. That's a huge growth movement, for the industry. There's a lot of that coming down the pipe, and there's a lot of great customers involved in that stuff. So they're very passionate about what they're doing.
Absolutely, and you said it perfectly. Passion is really what's going to move this business and even my business forward. I mean, that's really what moves my business forward, is having a passion for growing, just growing the knowledge base and growing the drive to be better and continuously improve. If I can get better products into my customers' hands, knowing that they'll be satisfied, that makes me happier every day. And
Absolutely.
Really, what we preach at Full Throttle is when we're not helping you, we like to do what you're doing, which is race. So
that's great. That's awesome news. Where can the customers find more information about Full Throttle Speed?
We're easy to find. FullThrottleSpeed.com is our website. We have Facebook, Instagram, and a growing YouTube channel that we're really going to focus on moving forward. So you can find us there and out at local drag strips, or stop by and see me.
Awesome. Thanks for coming by, Steve. I really appreciate everything you do for us.
Absolutely, Roger. Thank you so much.
Thanks.